Starting this spring, the Maine Department of Transportation will begin
painting the Joshua Chamberlain Bridge. This project is necessary to maintain the structural stability of the bridge. The project is anticipated to continue through the summer, ending in October of 2013. During this time, traffic on the Joshua Chamberlain Bridge will be limited to one lane of travel. Travel will be permitted from Brewer into Bangor for all phases of this project. If you wish to travel into Brewer from Bangor, you must use either the Veterans Remembrance Bridge or the Penobscot Bridge. The first phase of the bridge painting project will require limiting traffic on Summer Street to one lane. Motorists will be able to continue to travel westbound on Summer Street, heading from downtown Bangor towards Railroad Street. Travel will not be permitted eastbound on Summer Street. It is anticipated that two-way traffic on Summer Street will be restored approximately 1 month after construction begins. Apologize for any inconvenience that this may cause the public and appreciate your cooperation. Thank you.